It's that time of the year again, where I get to escape the chaos of Bangkok and fly away somewhere else. Sawadee and welcome to this rather special video. Today, I'll be flying Thai Airways International from Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport down to Krabi, a seaside resort town located in the south of Thailand. And I'll be on board one of their recently retrofitted A330-300s or 33Rs. More on that later. But now it's time to head to the airside and the Royal Silk Lounge. On my way to the Royal Silk Lounge, I did some plane spotting and saw a Thai Vietjet A320 and the A330 that would take me down to Krabi. The lounge was crowded during that time. Nonetheless, there are decent amounts of seating options and a wide variety of snacks and drinks. I had a cup of Thai milk tea followed by a few snacks and chicken biryani before heading to gate B5. The aircraft for this flight is HS-TEO, a 9.9-year-old A330-300 named Jutamat. This aircraft has a total of 294 seats, 31 in Royal Silk class and 263 in economy class. It was recently retrofitted with a new regional configuration, along with HS-TEN and TEP. These retrofitted A330-300s or 33Rs typically flies to routes such as Narita, Perth, Vientiane, and Krabi. Welcome on board. The business class cabin on this A330 is in an alternating 121 and 122 configuration, which means most seats have direct aisle access, but not all. 16J, a throne seat, will be my home for the next hour. Let's have a little tour of this brand new seat. In front, there's a large touchscreen monitor, which we'll definitely have a look at. Below, there's a convenient storage space and a very deep footwell. On the right, there's a literature pocket and a large surface area with more storage underneath. Seat controls and the remote is located on the left of the seat, which I found to be quite convenient. The light and the headphone holder is located right above it, as well as a power port, USB port, headphone jack, and another seat control panel. The seat comes with a 3-point seat belt and a rather unadjustable headrest. We have reached the cruising altitude, so let's have a more detailed look at the IFE screen. The screen itself was large and very responsive. I especially liked the new colorful background. The interface of the system was relatively simple and easy to use. As you can see, there were also a wide variety of movies and TV shows to choose from. Overall, I was very impressed with the new IFE screens and hope that they would install these on more aircrafts. Soon after, a meal was served. It consisted of chicken with yellow noodles, and some sweet preserved fruits. That also comes with a glass of cola and a beautifully presented set of cutleries. The noodles tasted pretty good, same with the chicken. The portion was also generous. The preserved fruits were also not too sweet. It was overall a warm and tasty meal. Let's put these seats to the test. As expected, the seat reclines into a comfortable fully flat bed at the push of a button. There's an adequate amount of space between your shoulders, though some people will find the foot cubby to be a little tight, especially in these throne seats. The seat provides a decent amount of privacy, but some will find it to be quite exposed because of the low walls, though this ain't a problem as the cabin on this flight was quite empty. Every flight eventually comes to an end, so it was time to start our descent into Krabi International Airport. I'll let you look at the beautiful views on approach. In conclusion, this flight has been a very good one. Firstly, I was surprised by how good and comfortable these new seats are. It's a huge upgrade over its angled lie-flat predecessor, still found on many of their A330s and 777s. Secondly, the new IFE system is definitely a lot easier to use. The interface is simpler and more aesthetically pleasing. Thirdly, the crews serving my row was very nice and friendly. We had a little chat about the aircraft and my channel during the flight. And lastly, the food tastes very warm and good. A variety of drinks were served from time to time. These newly retrofitted A330s are very nice and I definitely recommend you try out its onboard products. Welcome to Krabi. Thank you very much for watching this review and hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, please consider clicking on the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video.